mustache. Oh, yes, yes, it ties into your little sideburns. So this is the game that we were playing last night. We had a little fun with, in that Noah had to do a challenge. Here's what happened there.
My challenge card is using makeup, let someone draw a mustache and eyeglasses on your own face and leave them there for the rest of the game.
All right, well, I'm going to have to use my eyeshadow because I don't have anything else to do such a thing, but I just have to color the mustache you already have. Look at you, you have a mustache. Oh, look at you. Oh, let's make it a bigger mustache. Let's make it a handlebar mustache. Yes? Yes.
That's gotta have the twirl.
Yes, let's make it a big mustache. Oh, yes, yes, it ties into your little sideburns. Oh, and then you need the eyeglasses. Okay, let's put them on your face. Let's put them on your face. Here we go. Oh yeah, you can put a little thing like it's going like that. Oh, let's put this eyeglass like that. What you will do to win this game, Noah? I'm just saying, you're lucky that this is easy to get off. I could have gotten some makeup that would have been a lot harder to remove. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, there he is, all with his eyeglasses and his mustache.
No, Mom, you missed this side.
Oh, I did miss a side. Oh, we cannot have that. We cannot have the missed side. Boop. There we go. You now have your eyeglasses and mustache.
Aren't I beautiful?
It actually has just a little bit of caffeine in it without all the sugar. So this is how I'm starting my day. Good morning, Piggity Pigs. It's a much different story when I haven't fed you yet. You actually come out to say hi. Hello. Hello, Piggity Pigs. Hello. This is S'mores, and that's Mocha peeking her little face around the door. And they are waiting for their food dishes to get filled with food. But somebody is making a mess in their food dish, which drives me crazy. You guys are like pigs. You're like little pigs. Oh, now they're going to do the little face off as they know I'm bringing their favorite part of the morning. Have a little hay. Have a little hay. There you go. Get good, mamas. Yeah. Yes. S'mores will let me pet her, but Mocha not so much. Mocha's very shy, but she'll come over here because she's really, really hungry. She's like, okay, I'll get in here. All right. Good morning, guys. I have to go finish moving. And nothing happened here overnight. I still have my mess as I walk out the door. This is probably going to be one of the first areas I need to tackle. It's really not as bad as it looks because there's some furniture behind there taking up space, and there's a big dog crate, so it's really not that bad. Not that bad. And that's a big box of just trash. So I'll get her done. I'll get her done. But we need to go tackle the finishing of the job. Right. This is all of my empty boxes still sitting out here. And I have a few more to bring. Am I crazy for bringing all the... I know you guys are going to say, why don't you break them down? I just didn't have time. I didn't have time. And I honestly would like to find the space to just be able to store these without breaking them down because it just saves me some time and tape and I can see these are all my oddball size boxes, and I want to be able to see what size the box is, because sometimes I have trouble envisioning that if it's not my regular size boxes that I use. So it is an absolutely gorgeous day, and I'm going to take it on and I'm going to get this done. All right, let's go. Here is my view. As I get ready to take off, you can see I actually brought my dash cam with me. It is such a comfort to know that if somebody does some jerk move and like cuts me off and brake stops me, they're not going to get away with it because I have a dash cam. But I'm going to show you just how gorgeous that sky is. It's cold, I won't lie, it's cold, but I love starting the day with sunshine, and I'm sure my tortoises do too. Okay, let's go. So I had to make a quick stop to get some gasoline because I'm driving this thing more than I thought I was going to. But it's okay. 40 bucks, because I got to put regular instead of like, I have to put like super premium stuff in my Escalade, which ends tomorrow. So it was nice to put some regular gas in here. So 40 bucks got me almost a full tank. So I'm actually going to return this thing with more gas than I took it. That makes me feel good. All right, off to go get this job done. So one thing I forgot to do is figure out how I am going to move Fred. Who is Fred, you say? Here's Fred. Now, I've let the water level get down a little bit low. Fred's mad right now. Fred is thinking he's probably never going to get fed again. Hey, Fred. Come say hi. This is Fred. It's because he is a red fish. That's why we named him Fred. So, there he is. Yes. And there's actually a little Plecostomus in here, too, named Scruffy, but he hides. But I have to take some water out of this and get it into this bucket and leave enough water that Fred will be okay on the 30-minute drive to the new house. But we'll figure that out once we get the van loaded. It's gonna be okay. Okay, got the shelf down. Getting her done, getting her done. Cannot forget this was custom painted for me. These were actually my goats. I know there's a glare. I wish I could get rid of the glare. But my dear little neighbor Trixie. Now, I'm showing you this close up too so you can see this is a watercolor. See the texture of the paper. See kind of the blending of the colors. I know for a fact this is an original because she painted it for me. Okay, the guys are loading some stuff into their SUV. So I have just a minute to talk to you. I'm excited. That only took an hour and 20 minutes and we've got most of it. So I'm gonna get this load dropped off. Gonna get back here and I think we're gonna get this done at a reasonable time. So, okay, they're ready to roll. I'm ready to roll. I'll see you on the other end. Okay, we are unloaded. That was in like record time. We are going back for the last and final load. This is it. I'm doing it. Anything else that's left, I think I'm going to just throw it to the dumpster. But I have my handy dandy helper with me this morning. There he is, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, because I didn't make him go on the first trip, so he got to sleep in. I want to sleep in tomorrow. Okay, we got to go because the movers have already headed that way. And we're going to go boogie and get this done. Feeling good! All right, we are back for the last of it. This is what we got. It's just a little bit. It's just stuff. It's just stuff. No, I hate that I have so much stuff. And Priscilla. Got to get Priscilla moved. So we're going to go check on her right now. This is Priscilla's little habitat. She is way deep. And yes, I did use some priority mailbox scraps for insulation. They were used. They were used. But yeah, she is sleeping deep in there, so we have to move this entire thing without tilting and get her on the truck, which we will get done. So Noah, do you hate me today?
Yeah.
Okay. We are leaving the rocks behind, so we got to get them all off of the bricks here, and then we're going to water it down so the dirt settles down in, and it'll be good as new. Good as new. I'm glad I have a strong boy. Nicely done. All right, we have almost got it. He did make me take a turn. That is why I'm breathing heavy. And then I'm making him finish up over here. And he's doing a fine job. All right, we're back at it. All right, we left enough room to put Priscilla and a couple more racks. I know, it doesn't look like it's almost done, but it's almost done. And then I've got Noah back here, making things pretty, fixing it up. I'm keeping that boy working today, but he'd much rather be cleaning off this patio than scooping rocks. Nicely done, Noah, nicely done. All right, we got the patio done. And we got the patio done. And we filled up the trash can. And this is as much as we can do back here. This is still a little bit of a mess, but that's an easy clean for them. Uh-oh. Noah's having travesty. And we still didn't get everything in this load, but I can come back and get the rest with my car. So I know it's going to get done. Feeling very good about this. I love these movers. I'm going to put their contact information down in the description. If you're in the Las Vegas area, I highly recommend these guys. They have been the most pleasant guys to work with, and just working with all my stuff. So, all right, let's keep going. All right, you know what? You do what you got to do. We have got, we got stuff bungeed to the top of their car, and we are headed home to unload. And then I'll have to come back with my SUV for just the last little bit of stuff and Fred. But it's almost done. It's almost done. Hi, Noah. My lions are now going to be guardians of the pool. I can't put them out front because people actually steal these things, which is insane to me because they are concrete and they are heavy. Okay, I have to come back and show you how much we got done on the tortoise pens, because right now we have to go to an ATM so I can pay these guys and send them on their way. They were fantastic right to the end. Can't be happier with these movers. So their information is down in the description. If you're in Las Vegas and you need movers for small move, big move, whatever, these are your guys. I am telling you. Weren't they great, Noah?
They were.
They were awesome. Okay, we're going to the ATM. We're going to get this done and then go get one more load of stuff. All right, back to go fill this beast up one more time. And I still have my trusty helper. All right, we are putting our last load in the beast. It's not much. It's some lamps, and it's lamps. And it's Fred. We have to go get Fred. I will finally have all of my pets home. Actually, I'll be done with this move. Well, at least done with the moving part of the move. Okay, back to it. Fred has been loaded, and now we have to move fast because we cannot let Fred get cold.
You're gonna have to drive
there is
very smooth.
There's Fred in the car, and there's Fred's water that we don't have a lid for, so sloshing would be bad. Can you get it in there? Oh, can't see nothing. There we go.
Is there something we can put in?
Yeah, let's maybe leave in a trash bag to put on top of the water, because we cannot lose the water. Losing the water would be bad. So Fred would be very upset if we lost all his water. But Fred would be okay. Will Noah be okay? Move's almost done. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Turning in the keys. Feels kind of weird. But it's done. The move is done. You glad, Noah?
I am.
I am too. Let's go get Fred home. Let's go. Fred's water is very cloudy now, and it's cold, and he's not out of the woods yet until we get his heater going, which we're doing right now. Fred is now chilling by the heater, trying to warm back up. He's a little stressed out. We don't know where Scruffy is. Scruffy is totally hiding right now. But we made it. Now the next 24 hours will be critical to make sure he recuperates from the stress. But we're home. Okay, that's it. It's a wrap for a day. I do this crazy thing where I just think that I can get 10 times more done in a day than I actually can. You guys do that? But what I have learned to do is celebrate my wins. Celebrate what I got done and don't focus on what I didn't get done, because tomorrow's another day, and the day after that, the day after that. And I just finished this move and it just feels... I mean, I got a lot of work ahead of me, but it's all here now. There's no more driving back and forth. No more wasting all that time and gas. Ugh, that was such a drain. And tomorrow, I'm super duper focused on getting my inventory unpacked and on the shelves and getting set back up and get my business back open. And I am going to film that the best that I can and share that with you and kind of go through that process, because I am not going to go out and shoot any shopping videos until I get that done. It's got to be done. I got to be back in business before I go buy more stuff, right? And then after that's done, my next order of business is to get set up for a yard sale, like a big old massive yard sale to just get rid of tons of stuff that I really don't need. And I don't know why I have. I mean, it's a little embarrassing. I gotta tell you, I'm a little embarrassed with how much stuff that I have. And it was a real wake-up call getting through this move with all that stuff. So, yard sale, gonna make new habits about how much stuff I bring in. Like, the problem is I can't say no. I can't say no when my friend cleans out a house and, you know, has 2 truckloads of stuff and I take it because there's good stuff in there. There's good stuff I can sell, but it's too much at one time. I need to stick to getting my thrift store shopping trips, logging it in, getting it listed, and moving it through. Otherwise, this happens. And I realize this is a pattern of mine that I need to break. So I'm just like putting it way out there and being accountable. And maybe some of you will share some of your stories of doing similar things down in the comments. But let's change those habits. Let's turn that stuff into money. Anybody like want to, you know, I don't know, we can't like do the yard sale together, but we can kind of like say, hey, all right, let's pick a weekend. We're going to do the sale and let's compare notes on how it went and how much stuff we cleared and all of that. You know, it's just good to be community and do this stuff together. And if you're in Las Vegas, watch for an announcement of the yard sale, because I am going to have a lot of stuff that has to go. Okay, with that, I have cracked myself open a little White Claw. I am going to put my feet up. The kids have gone to their dads. I am all alone in the house with the dogs and the fish and the tortoises. Well, they're not in the house. They're outside, but they're home. It feels good. It just feels good. And I will be live tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pacific time to talk about eBay and answer your questions. Maybe do a little research. Figure out what's stopping you from moving forward. I'm not sure that those words all went together correctly, but you know what I mean. All right. With that, go be profitable and make it fun. And we'll see you on the next one.